Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create a program in C++ that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then a program will compute the difference between the two numbers using function in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel, especially for those here in the Philippines. That majority of my viewers and supporters are my fellow Filipinos. Maraming salamat po guys sa panonood at saka sa suporta nyo. So if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with the newly uploaded video. Don't forget to share and click the subscribe button to support my channel. Thank you very much. So let's get started. I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment in writing this program. So we have here a series of comment, subtract.cpp / for C++ for comment, and then yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT, and then my two websites. The first one is www.jakerpomperada.com, and then www.jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, where you can download free source code for free. And then I have here my personal email address. That's it, jakerpomperada@gmail.com, where you can send some questions, inquiries regarding about my services in computer programming. At present time guys, I'm accepting programming jobs, computer programming assignments, web development, mobile development, business application development, IT consultancy, software testing. So can you reach me in my personal email address, that is jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very reasonable cost. And then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. So we have here line number 7, sharp include IOString for input-output library file in C++. And then line number 9, we are using namespace td subtract. And then from line number 11 up to 21, I wrote down a function. What is good about this function is that it checks which of the two variables has a greater value. So we start with integer, name of the function subtract, and then we have two passing parameters, that is variable a and variable b, that are both integer. And then we have here assignment operator difference, I initialize to 0, and then we have here a simple if-else statement for checking for values. If a greater than b, begin dev a minus b, else if it is false, means the b, the second value, has a greater value, minus a, and then return div, and then we close. And then we have here line 23, we have here the main. It is the starting point and ending point of every C++ program during the execution by our compiler. And then we have two variables, integer x and y, which I initialize with 0. So we have here the title of our program, subtract two numbers using function in C++, enter two numbers, asking the user to give two numbers, and then it will be stored in our two variables, that is x and y, which has an integer data type. In programming, when we say integer, it refers to a data type that values can only accept 0, negative numbers, and positive numbers that are whole number. There are no decimal places. And then in this portion, we display the values of x and y, and then calling the function subtract, which pass the variable x and y, which has the value given by our user, and then end of the program. And then we have here the close right curly bracket. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete free program listing of this tutorial. Let us compile and run. Subtract two numbers using function in C++, enter two numbers, 7 and 23. As we all know, in this example, the first value is much smaller to the second value. The first value is 7, and then the second value is 23. So the difference between 7 and 23 is 16 in a program. Normally, if we don't use if-else statement, it will give us negative value here. Okay, let us close. Let us run again for second time around. Let's say we have 100, and then we have 34. Take note in this example, the first value has a greater numerical value, that is 100, and then the second is only 34. So the difference between 100 and 34 is 66. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create subtract two numbers using function in C++. I hope that you enjoy and learn from it. I will put a link in the description below where you can download this source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.